The need for cooling is present in our daily life for enjoyment and for food preservation. Around the world, millions of pieces of equipment tirelessly provide us with cold 24 hours a day. To do this, the equipment has to be reliable and a considerable amount of energy is needed for its operation. The compressor is the component of the refrigeration system with the greatest impact in terms of energy consumption. That is why maximum efficiency is required from it. Huayi Compressor Barcelona is the European subsidiary of Huayi Compressor Co. Limited, the largest manufacturer of hermetic compressors worldwide. Huayi Compressor Barcelona is dedicated to the manufacture of a complete range of compressors for all types of light commercial refrigeration applications. The R&D department of Huayi Compressor Barcelona dedicates much of its effort in developing environmentally friendly solutions by designing compressors with low energy consumption, which include variable speed solutions that are capable of working with refrigerants with the lowest environmental impact. The combination of these two factors can reduce energy consumption in the final application by up to 50% compared to standard solutions. The manufacture of these new ranges of high-efficiency compressors has been made possible thanks to its more than 50 years' experience in solutions for the light commercial refrigeration industry under the trademark Cubigel compressors. A tight control in the design and manufacture of compressors and a high level of technological development guarantees the excellence of its products. In order to meet global demand, the products have VDE, UL, CCC certifications, among others. The quality and environmental management systems are certified under ISO 9001 and 14001 norms respectively. Specialists in the design, manufacture and sale of hermetic compressors and condensing units for the commercial refrigeration market. Huayi Compressor Barcelona manufactures its products entirely in Barcelona, exporting over 90% of its production. Moreover, it guarantees its products thanks to a European production of the highest quality. Innovating to meet the needs of the market worldwide. Responding to the needs of light commercial refrigeration. Huayi Compressor Barcelona, leading-edge technological products, efficient and innovative.